Hi, everybody. My name is Michael, and welcome to our YouTube video channel. Uh, this is our third video on YouTube. I'm sorry, this is our third video on Facebook. And today I'm going to explain you, and today I'm going to tell you how we can create the custom audience and how we can, how we can create that with the different methods and how we can apply that on the campaign level. So to create the custom audience, it's very important. You should have a account wherein you have created the campaigns and all. So based on that, once you take live the campaign, you can start creating the custom audience. To create the custom audience, you have to go to the ads manager. Once you click on the ads manager, here on the left hand side on the top corner, you can see the list up here, and here in the list you can look for the option and you can go to the audience. Once you click on audience, under assets you can find audience, and once you click on that, it will take you to a new page, and it's coming up here. So here in this page you can create your audience. Okay, if here we have multiple options, not only audience, you can upload a bulk images. If you want to upload any kind of locality you want to specifically target, you can upload that, and many more options are available. But now we are gonna check how to create the custom audience specifically when we create a audience to remarket. So this is very useful, when normally you pull in the traffic and when you are looking forward to remarket your customer, you have to create the audience. Here we have already created some set of audience and lookalike. Lookalike, even I'm going to create another video wherein I will create you how to create a lookalike audience of custom audiences in 1%, 2%, and 3%, and how to use that with different targetings. I'm going to explain on that as well. So here, once you come to this page, you can see different options. Make sure that you're under the audience tab and just click on create audience. Okay. So once you click on the custom, once you create audience, goes to custom audience. Once you click on that, it will take you to the new page. So here we have different options to create the custom audience. For an example, if you have a data wherein you have email address and phone numbers, you can use the customer file. You can upload the customer file. Once you click on that, it will give you an option to manually upload the files here. Right, so you have an option here wherein you can upload the file, or even you can copy and paste the details here, and you can create that. So I prefer, if you have the phone number and if you have the email address, you can use this file format. It can be on CSV or on TXT. You can use that, and here are the parameters that you need to look for: email address, phone number, and few more things. You can just update and you can use that. So here in this video, our main focus is going to be on how to create the custom audience on website traffic. Similar way, you can use that if you have an app and you have put in your code on the app, and if you want to track that user, you can do that. And these are something different, which is offline activity and post engagement. So I will create a separate video on this. So here in this video, we'll be talking about how to create the custom audience of the website traffic. So once you go to this page, you have some set of options available here, wherein you can say all visitors of 30 days, and maximum we can go up to 180 days here. So here, if you want to create all visitors, for an example, the people, those who came to your website and you want to market them, you want to reach them back, you can create that. The maximum, now the number of days is 180, and you can set accordingly and you can create that. So here what you can do is, you don't need to do anything, just you need to select the particular date. If you want to keep it for 90, keep it 90. If you want to make it 100, keep it 100. Put the name here and just save the audience. So once I can just give the name, maybe the name can get all traffic. I'm not going to create this audience because I've already created it. So the only thing you have to do is click this, select this, put in the number, and just create the audience. It will be automatically created. It takes 24 to 48 hours to get updated, but it will be updated automatically. And here, this is the specific way to create the audience with the combination of some set of URLs. For an example, I want to target the audience, those who have visited uh, our category page, or or the audience, those who have been to some set of page, maybe to check out initiate page, or the people those who have purchased that. So in this case, what you can do is you can go to the any product, okay, and then you can just take that URL you want to create the audience. For an example, from this website, I'm going to create an audience of the people, those who went to the checkout page. So I'm going to take this URL, I'm going to copy this and put it in here and just proceed. So here there are different options, right? If you want to create the audience, so mostly, the suggested option here is you can go with the URL that contains checkouts. So you can just put in here, or even what you can do is, instead of keeping the entire URL, you can take this and you can put in here and you can create the audience. And again, if you want to put in some kind of parameters where you want to exclude something, so for an example, you have a success page that you don't want to add that audience, you can exclude that by putting up here. You want to put in the URL, you can put that, or you want to put the specific, in every success page there will be some route like successful payment completed. You can just take that and you can put in here and you can create the audience. Further, we have an option wherein you can put the frequency cap. So frequency cap is something, the number of times the user have interacted to your particular ad, and even you can filter the audience with the help of the device. So if you want to filter them with the help of the devices, you can do that. You can go with all devices, or if you want to split that with multiple iOS device, Android, or desktop, you can do that as well. So you can go with a multiple type of creations. You can add some URLs, and if you want to exclude some URLs, you can do that. So this is the multiple option here. I'm not going to save this because we have already created this. So this is how you can create the custom audience. So this is the basic. This is very easy thing. Once you get familiar, just make a note of which kind of audience you want to target and which kind of audience you want to exclude. Just make a combination of that, put it in here and save that. You can just put in the name and then just click on create. The audience will be created. So thank you for watching our video, and if you find any problem in creating the audience, or if you have any suggestions, or if you think we have missed something, you can just comment below there on the comment box and we will respond you back. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.